All right, Chris, it's my favorite time of year.
December to remember. 4 weeks of giveaways.
Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers.
A special free beer Black Friday edition. We did your Christmas shopping for you. Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. This is a special edition Black Friday episode where we're giving away 3 gifts this week. We're giving away a premium homebrew starter kit, we're giving away a VineCo kit, and as well as a pop cultures kit.
So give the gift that gives all year long. Give the gift of homebrewing. First one off, the starter kit. This starter kit comes with everything you need to start brewing at home, so you'll be setting off your friend right, and we have a video going grain to glass, how to do it. We also have interactive instructions, so they'll start brewing on the best equipment with resources to teach them how to brew.
What an awesome gift to give someone who loves beer. Maybe it's a family member, maybe a dad, a brother, a cousin, maybe even a coworker who you hear talking about drinking craft beer all the time. It's easy and people love it.
All right, next up we've got the VineCo wine kit. So this is a great gift for someone who's into making wine. You can make it and give out those bottles yourself. We have a video, instructional video, how to make wine. It's super easy, so it's a great gift for this holiday season.
These kits are awesome. If you're already making beer, you already have everything you need to make wine. And you can give this away to anyone who doesn't have that equipment and they can find stuff to make this work. But if you have it, there's nothing better than having wine on tap. Most people never think of that, but it's super simple to do and people love it.
All right, then next up, we've got our Pop Cultures food fermentation kit. We've got a ton of them. Right here's the kimchi kit. We've got a hot sauce kit that I've got my eye on. There's a pickle kit, cheese making kit. So just another great way to have fun food fermentation, pop cultures, fun gift for yourself or for somebody else.
Yeah, those pop culture kits are awesome. If you're into DIY, which most of us are, you're gonna love them. But you'll also find it for all the foodies out there. If you need a gift for someone who's really into high-end foods, they're gonna love it. Hey, and if you have kids, my kids love to make these with me. You know, they learn about the front end, the back end, the science behind it, the fermentation, and they usually love the final product. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that weekly giveaway.
Yeah, so there'll be 3 lucky winners. So go to Free Beer Friday, enter, and someone's gonna win the brew kit, the pop cultures, or the winemaking kit. All right, and don't forget, we've got a ton of deals on morebeer.com, so take advantage of those sale prices, and we're basically doing some of your shopping for you and getting you started. Happy holidays and happy Black Friday from all of us at MoreBeer.
That was great. Where'd you come up with any of that?
I don't know. I just snapped.